Hello everyone, I am Sujata Muril. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic. Block diagram is the shorthand pictorial representation, the cause and effect relationship of the system. Now in first year example, R of S is input, C of S is output and G of S is the transfer function. This is the representation of the transfer function by block diagram. Now, second example, input output relationship here in by using this control element. Here x and this d by dt is the operator, then we get dx by dt term. Addition is given by this circle here, summing the terms or subtracting the terms. Here x plus y here we represented by this or this diagram. Now takeoff point is given by this. Now draw the block diagram for this equation. Here a1 x1 plus a2 x2 minus a3 term. Therefore x1 x2 and a3 is negative, therefore this is here negative value, and a1 x1 term, therefore we taking this control element as a1, therefore multiplication is a1 x1. Similarly for a2 x2, both values are positive and a3 is negative, output is x3. A1 second equation is A1 dx1 by dt equal to x2. Therefore, x1 is the input, d by dt. Its output is dx1 by dt term, and A1 is the control element. Therefore, multiplication of these A1 dx1 by dt. In this way, we represent the block diagram of the equation. Now we derive the equation for transfer function of simple closed loop system. For this, we consider negative feedback system, and here in this diagram, R of S is the reference point, C of S is the output signal, T of S is the feedback signal, T of S is the actual signal, E of S is the forward path transfer function, H of S is the transfer function of feedback element, and T of S is the transfer function of closed loop system. Now, by using this diagram, we write down G of S value equal to output upon input. Therefore, C of S upon E of S. This is the equation. From this, we find out the value of E of S, which is given by equation 1. Now, secondly, here H of S. H of S equal to output upon input B of S upon C of S. From this, we find out the value of B of S value, which gives the equation number 2. Now by using this summing circle, here E of S is the output and here R of S is positive value, B of S is negative value, therefore R of S minus B of S, which gives E of S, equation number 3. Now we substitute the values of these E of S by using equation 1, R of S as it is here, then B of S by using equation number 2. Now then multiply by G of S, we get this equation. In next step, we shifted this value on left hand side and then taking C of S common from these both the terms, we get equation number 4. Now transfer function of the system is given by C of S upon R of S. Therefore, here C of S upon R of S value is given by equation number 5. That means G of S upon 1 plus G of S into H of S. And reduction of this block diagram is given by this. Here input, output, and this is the transfer function closed loop system with negative feedback system. We use this formula for solving the problems of transfer closed loops. Thank you.